Welcome to the Stat Tree video module for categorical charts. After collecting and scoring your data, the next task is summarizing your data. This video will cover just the categorical descriptives, such as race or gender, which are measured on the Preferred Entertainment Viewing Survey as nominal. Presuming you have already created a summary table for this data, as on the Table 2 tab, charts are built in Excel based on tables. A video demonstrating how to build an appropriate table for a categorical item on a survey is linked on the Summarizing Categorical Data in the Text page in StatTree. With the PEVS dataset open in Excel, you would choose race as the categorical variable. Create a new tab by pressing on the plus sign next to the tab labeled Results. Go to the tab at the bottom and change the label from Sheet 2 to Charts. I have already created these tabs for this demonstration. On the Table 2 tab, select the table cells upon which the bar chart will be built. Highlight the range of cells, including the value labels and corresponding frequency counts. From the Insert menu toolbar, choose Recommended Charts. Scroll down and select the Clustered Column Chart. Instantly, a proper bar chart is generated for you. You can then move the chart on the Table 2 sheet or copy and paste to the Charts tab. Similarly, you can also create pie charts, such as this one for the gender variable on the Table 3 tab. You can create charts for each demographic and or categorical variable in your dataset using these procedures. To see what this output looks like, press the Output button on the Sending page from the StatTree module. To see the formulas used to create the tables in Excel, press the Script button on the Sending page from the StatTree module.